Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with the winning coach, Coach George Gallant, and best player of the game, Junmar Fajardo. Congratulations on advancing again to the finals, gentlemen. Coach George, you've found multiple ways to win time and time again. This time, you were trailing by as many as 19 points. Can you talk about the trust and confidence that this team has despite facing adversities throughout the series?
Well, the players just did not quit. They really played well, especially in the start of the fourth. And they just wanted to end the series now. That's why they played really hard entering the fourth quarter. So kudos to them. They really played hard and they helped one another inside. And I would like to say, Jeron really made a good job entering also.
Junmar, kagaya nung laban nyo nun sa Terra Firma, nilalabas ka rin ng rain or shine sa paint, sa depensa, at ikaw mismo inamin mong kailangan mo yung pagtrabuhan. Can you share yung naging growth mo on that end itong series?
Una-una na po, pasalamat kami kay God na walang na-injury sa game na to. Ayan, medyo mahirap talaga kasi si Bo, especially si Bo, consistent siya sa threes yung tira niya sobrang taas ng percentage niya. So napipilitan talaga akong lumabas. Pero ayan, wala tayong magawa doon. Pero napo-provide naman sila coach ng help para sa akin. So ayan, nag-work yun lalo sa game na to sa end. So sa fourth quarter, and then ayun nga, di kami nag-give up sa pinagalitan kami ni coach sa half kasi sobrang relax daw namin. Dami namin turnovers nung first half. So ayun, buti nag-step up kami lahat especially sa fourth.
Junmar, nakita ka daw nila na